my beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you want to see how I created this cute deep side part on this bomb bob wig, then please keep on watching. If you're new here, welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button along with the notification bell to notify you when I post a new video. Let's get straight into it. So this is a bob wig that I've installed previously on my channel. I will write down the details of the hair in the description box. I did cut off the band so that the wig could fit me properly, and I was able to cut off excess lace. So I did do my bald cap off camera, and now I'm just adjusting the wig onto my hairline. And I actually realized that my bald cap was sitting just a little too low for my liking. I tried my best to hide it though with the baby hairs, but yeah, when you do your bald cap, you want to make sure that you place it directly where your wig is going to lay. I did make a bit of a oopsie, but I did fix it. I'm sure when you guys watched the intro, you didn't even notice. So I went in with my rubbing alcohol and a wet wipe to clean up the makeup on where I'm going to be placing the wig. It's very important that you do this. I always mention this in my videos, so don't skip that. So now I'm going to be using a glue from Bling, and please make sure you always read your instructions, guys, especially if you're using like a glue for a lace glue that you haven't used before. So this was my first time using this one from Bling, and I actually really like it. The hold was very good. I really enjoyed this glue. I went in with about 3 very thin layers, and yeah, you guys, you should definitely get your hands on this glue. I will definitely be using it more in the future. Another thing about this glue is that it didn't take long to get tacky or clear, so I didn't blow dry each section, because by the time I was done spreading it, it had turned clear. The only layer that I had to blow dry was the last layer.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10. Like Jazzy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad. It's girls, and we ain't playing tag. Red, but he spank me when I get back. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl. Pink Barbie dream house. The way Ken be killing shit got me yelling out like the scream house. Yelling out, we ain't selling out. We got money, but we ain't lending out. We got bars, but we ain't billing out. In that pink Ferrari, we pillin' out. I told Tay, bring the Bob Dylan out. So cold, we just chillin' out. Baby yelling out. It's Barbie, bitch, if you still in doubt.
So now I'm placing the wig onto where I applied the glue. And you want to take your time when you're doing this, because you really want to place it directly where you applied the glue. And obviously the ear tabs always have this thing of not laying down, so I went in with more glue just to lay that down. And if you notice any pieces of lace just sticking out, just go in with a small amount of glue and blow dry that, and then stick it down again.
All of it, and I see the bread, I want all of it, and I want the green, so I all of it, and I throw it back, so he losing it, and I get the box with no shoes in it. Yeah, I know the trick, so I got him break. It ain't over it, yeah, Barbie, bitch, and I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull in a 10.
Now I'm hot combing my hair back. And you want to make sure that you do this at least once or twice throughout your install, because there will be those little flyaways that will just disturb the lace. So you want to make sure that you hot comb that back. Now I'm going in with my lace melt band, and I'm going to also be using a silk band to double melt, and I leave this on for about 15 minutes. You can also leave it for a little bit longer. I mean, the longer you leave it on, the better, because your lace will not go anywhere. So after those 15 minutes, I just remove both the bands, and we're gonna get into melting this lace. I'm going in with the Glamour adhesive spray, and I went in with about 2 layers. I'm using the one that is purple and red. This one is my favorite one, and it really makes sure that that lace does not go anywhere. Well, that wig does not go anywhere. So now you want to clean that up. Every time you apply something on your lace, make sure that you clean it up, whether it's glue or the spray or melting spray. Whatever it is, you want to make sure that you clean that up, because trust me, it's going to be difficult to remove that after you have blow dried. Now I'm melting my lace again with my lace melt band, and I left that on for about, I think, 8 minutes. And then now I'm going in with my foundation. I love using the Signature Cosmetics extra cover stick, specifically for my lace. It just blends really well in the shade of Caramello. Now I'm going in with my melting spray from Rarlon wigs, along with my Isoplus spritz. I always do this, like all of these steps are a repetition from my previous videos. Yeah, like I just feel like all of these products, they just make a huge difference with my installs and the longevity and how they come out. So yeah, you're gonna blow dry that on a cool setting. And now we're gonna get into doing my baby hairs. I've never actually filmed doing my baby hairs because it's always just a struggle and it takes forever to do them. But I decided to just show you guys a glimpse of how I do my baby hairs. I already have pre-cut hairs because I've installed this wig before countless times. So I'm just sectioning out those hairs and I'm cutting more as I go. And yeah. Now I'm curling them using a 1/2 inch iron. Okay, I don't have the box anymore, but it's like a mini straightener for baby hairs. So I'm just curling them right now, and I'm curling them in an upward motion. I went in with my olive oil hair mousse to swoop them, and this really does take a lot of time, you guys. You just want to be patient and swoop up until you get your desired look on them. And what normally helps to swoop my baby hairs into place as well is a gel. So I am going to be going in with the RL Beauty Glamour gel. And yeah, that helps to lock in those baby hairs and also to swoop them a little bit better, because you know mousse just sometimes goes all over the place and doesn't really get the job done. Now let's get into this side part. So yeah, I tried my best to show you guys how I do this, but I also needed to have vision. I can't really see properly from my camera and my phone. Yeah, I am short-sighted, so I need my mirror to be up close so that I can see what I'm doing. So I'm just carving out that C part, and you just want to go in with your comb multiple times up until you get the desired C shape. I'm going in with my wax stick to tame down my hairs so that I can properly part this hair. So I went in with the Tresemme heat protectant spray and my hot comb because I realized that I wasn't really happy with how the parting was coming out. So I needed to sleek the hair a little bit more so that I can see what I'm doing. And ideally you want to do your part before you do your baby hairs, because that helps you to structure out how your baby hairs are gonna look. So I was trying to carve out my parting according to where my baby hair was placed, so it was a bit challenging. However, I was able to do it. But yeah, I highly recommend that you start with your part and then you go and do your baby hairs. Now I'm using my holding spray from Clicks, the firm hold can, and I am just taming the flyaways down and also just setting everything in place. I'm also going in with the Hair Rescue Anti-Freeze spray along with the Shine Restoration spray. I never ever skip this step on all my straight wigs because they just make my wig look so much more sleek and fresh and shiny. So yeah, now I'm gonna go in with my straightener, and I'm going to also be bumping the ends because it is a bob wig, so you want to create those bumpy ends. I did do this on my mannequin head already, but I don't know, it just the bumps just sort of disappeared as I was installing the wig, so I'm just going in and touching that up.
Put these pretty pink toes in your mouth, send news to your phone while you working. Boy, you gotta see it in person. Can't just keep talking about it. We need to talk about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get right. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me where I start, boy. Know it's been a while, boy. I wanna get right.
Now I'm defining my parting, and I'm going in with a concealer. I think I went in with about 2 concealers. Yeah, so you want to go in with a concealer that's at least maybe a shade or 2 shades lighter than your skin tone, because our scalps are naturally lighter. And yeah guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Mwah!